Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Notion, Notes, Tasks, AI app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Notion is a productivity and organization app designed to combine notes, tasks, projects, and databases into one customizable workspace. Originally known for its flexible pages and templates, Notion has expanded into a full workflow and knowledge management platform. It allows users to create notes, manage to-do lists, build dashboards, track goals, organize projects, and collaborate with teams, all in one place. It's available on iOS, Android, and desktop, and syncs seamlessly across devices. The app's main features include its block-based editor, powerful databases, customizable templates, Kanban boards, calendars, and task lists. Notion AI adds smart tools such as content generation, summaries, rewriting, idea creation, and automated organization. Users can structure their workspace however they like, from simple note pages to complex project systems. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its flexibility, deep customization, and the ability to replace multiple productivity apps with one. Notion AI is often praised for saving time by summarizing notes, generating drafts, and helping with research. Teams value its collaborative features and shared workspaces. However, there are some drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, especially when building advanced setups or databases. The mobile app is sometimes slower compared to the desktop version, and offline support, while improved, is still not perfect. Some users also feel overwhelmed by the amount of customization available. In summary, the Notion app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one system for notes, tasks, project management, and AI-powered productivity tools. However, if you prefer simple, ready-made task apps or do not want to spend time setting up your workspace, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.